modern business is collaborative and made up of people working together within their organizations and across industry. And when these groups work together towards a common goal, they create a business ecosystem. The Peerdash platform is built for ecosystem management. It centralizes knowledge, from secure document sharing to individual and group collaboration. Whether a large enterprise with multiple departments or a consortium of businesses sharing an objective, Peerdash increases stakeholder participation, productivity, and innovation. With Peerdash, authorized users create a digital library of research, organizations, and people, which can be discovered and leveraged by all stakeholders. And as a user-created knowledge base, those closest to the subject are responsible for the content, ensuring files are up to date and ideas remain properly contextualized and searchable, opening up a broad spectrum of possibilities within the ecosystem and across industry. Entrepreneurship and innovation ecosystems bring together the necessary but often disparate resources needed for wealth creation. Silicon Valley is an ideal model. However, other ecosystems often face barriers to entry with limited financial resources, geographic disparity, or historical underrepresentation. Peerdash empowers these ecosystems by reducing engagement costs and amplifying human capital for effective, IP-driven economic development. Technology commercialization is perhaps one of the most complex of business processes, involving numerous players, each of which hold key knowledge, skills, and access to critical resources. With Peerdash, mentorships grow from shared ideas, and connections develop into long-term economically beneficial relationships, regardless of geography. Collaborative content provides the most up-to-date information, fostering sponsorships, private grants, and industry participation. And privacy settings allow for the secure transfer of IP to authorized individuals, with strictly defined access permissions residing directly on the content itself. Content published to Peerdash becomes a media-rich library for the ecosystem to leverage and amplify messaging. When employed in conjunction with face-to-face events, stakeholder participation goes viral, maximizing impact. Multiple social channels, built-in SEO, media capabilities, and visual Web 2.0 layout drive engagement through search engine ranking, content tagging, and an intuitive discovery interface. For recruitment, research, collaboration, and commercialization by and between stakeholders from cross-discipline to across the country, Peerdash energizes innovation with unprecedented virtual ecosystem technology.